Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 backup issues. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Click on Start, type Services, open Services. Now guys, in this list you have to find out. So find out here Remote Processor Call, double click on it and it should be running and its data type should be automatic. It's looking this one, so it's fine. Click on OK. Now double click on RPC endpoint mapper and it should be running as we can see here, and startup type should be automatic. It's looking this one, so it's fine and okay. Now finally here find out Windows backup. This one, double click on it, click on start and start type as manual. It's okay. Now click on OK and close it. Now open Windows Explorer. So open Windows File Explorer and right click on local disk C drive, then properties. Now click on tools and click on check. This option will check the drive for file system errors. Click on check. Now click on scan drive. Guys, it will take a couple of minutes, so wait till this procedure will be complete. Now guys, you will see your drive was successfully scanned. Close it. Click on OK. Now again click on start and type CMD. Right click on command prompt. Run as administrator. Now guys, here type sfc /scan. Now, so type this command line and press enter. Now guys, wait till this scanning procedure will be complete, and once this scanning complete, restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps we can fix and we can resolve Windows 11 backup issues. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.